YouTube Premieres let you and your viewers watch and experience new videos together in real time. In this video, we'll walk through what Premieres are, how to create and customize your Premiere, plus some best practices for building excitement and connecting with your audience. Let's dive in. First, what are Premieres? When you set your video to Premiere, a public watch page is created for your video. The watch page includes live chat, which is a great way to interact with your fans directly leading up to the premiere. You can share the watch page URL to draw in an audience and build excitement for your video before it goes live. Premieres show up across YouTube just like regular uploads, so viewers can find them on search, the homepage, and video recommendations. Now let's walk through how to create a premiere. When uploading, you can choose to create an instant premiere or schedule it for a later date. First, upload your video in YouTube Studio. To create an instant premiere, in the Visibility tab, choose Save or Publish. Then select Public. Then check Set as Instant Premiere, then hit Publish. The premiere will start as soon as your video is finished processing. To schedule a premiere, in the Visibility tab, choose Schedule. Set the date and time you want your video to premiere, then check Set as Premiere. Once your premiere has been scheduled, the watch page will be public. You can also customize your premiere. You can do so by selecting Set Up Premiere. Here you can choose a countdown theme, set up live redirect, and add a trailer. To choose a countdown theme, select one from the drop-down list. When you choose a theme, you can preview how it will look to your viewers. Next, choose your countdown length. Remember that the countdown starts at the time you entered during upload, so if you chose a 12 p.m. start time, your countdown timer will start at 12 p.m. Next, Live Redirect lets you send your audience to another premiere or live stream once your premiere ends. You can redirect your audience to your own content or to other creators' content if they've granted permission in their Live Redirect settings. Under Redirect, click Add, then choose where to send your audience. Finally, if you have at least 1,000 subscribers, you can upload a trailer to play before your premiere to give your audience a peek at what's to come. Under Trailer, click Add, and select the video you want to use. Trailers can be any supported YouTube video type between 15 seconds and 3 minutes in length. Make sure the trailer doesn't infringe on other content or violate our community guidelines. When you're done customizing your premiere, click Save, then Schedule. It's important to note that you can't create a premiere for a private video. You can edit your Premiere customization settings at any time by logging into YouTube Studio, going to Content, clicking the upcoming video, and clicking Edit Premiere. Once your premiere starts, you and your viewers watch the video together and can interact in the chat in real time. Viewers can rewind the video but cannot forward ahead of what's been shown live. After your video premieres, it stays on your channel as a regular upload. The countdown theme won't be included in your video after the premiere is over, and the view count and comments from the premiere will stay with the video afterwards. Chat replay will also be available for viewers who want to experience the premiere live chat after it's ended. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can also monetize your premiere. You can enable ads, have viewers use Super Chat and Super Stickers before and during the premiere, and take advantage of channel membership perks like a members-only chat or custom emojis and loyalty badges. For more info on these features, check out the links in the description. Finally, let's go through some best practices to help make your premiere a success. First, we recommend scheduling your premiere at least 24 hours in advance to give audiences around the world an opportunity to see the thumbnail in their subscriptions feed, the homepage, and search. Choose your custom thumbnail carefully since this image will be on your premiere landing page. To tease the content and to build excitement, consider adding some text in the description of the video. Before your premiere, make sure to promote the watch page link on social media. You can also encourage viewers to use the Notify Me button that shows up below the video. During the premiere, engage with your viewers by responding to live chats to let them know you're watching with them. Finally, you can use the watch page to live chat with viewers for a short period following the end of a premiere video. This post-show time is an excellent opportunity to answer questions, get feedback on the premiere, or direct viewers to a post-show video or live stream. Premieres are a great way to build excitement about your newest video and let you experience the moment with your audience. For more info, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.